Your question is, which of the following statement or statements is or are true in relation to Constituent Assembly? 1. Assembly was based on adult suffrage. 2. The Assembly was a result of direct election. 3. Assembly was a multi-party body. 4. Assembly worked through various committees. Choose the correct answer by using the codes given below. Codes. Your options are A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 3 and 4, or D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is C 3 and 4. Assembly was a multi-party body and Assembly worked through various committees. Your question is, the concept of the directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution has been adopted from the Constitution of. Your options are A France, B Ireland, C Japan, or D USSR. Right answer is B Ireland. Your question is, which one of the following reflects the most appropriate relationship between law and liberty? Your options are A. If there are more laws, there is less liberty. B. If there are no laws, there is no liberty. C. If there is liberty, laws have to be made by the people. Or D. If laws are changed too often, liberty is in danger. Right answer is B. If there are no laws, there is no liberty. Your question is, under which schedule of the Constitution of India can be transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? Your options are A 3rd schedule, B 5th schedule, C 9th schedule, or D 12th schedule. Right answer is B 5th schedule. Your question is, assertion A. Indian Constitution is quasi-federal. Reason R. Indian Constitution is neither federal nor unitary. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Your options are A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false, or D. A is false but R is true. Right answer is A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Your question is, what is meant by rule of law? Your options are A. One act for all and one judiciary for all. B. One act for all and one state for all. C. One state for all and one judiciary for all. D. All acts for one and one judiciary for all. Or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. One act for all and one judiciary for all. Your question is, the President of India can be removed from his post by. Your options are A. The Prime Minister of India, B. Lok Sabha, C. Chief Justice of India, or D. Parliament. Right answer is D. Parliament. Your question is, the reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India relating to the accounts of the Union are submitted first of all to which of the following? Your options are A. The Chairman of Public Accounts Committee, B. Speaker of the Lok Sabha, C. Law Minister of India, or D. President of India. Right answer is D. President of India. Your question is, Rajya Sabha is called permanent house because. Your options are A. All members are lifelong, B. It cannot be dissolved, C. Some members retire after every 2 years, or D. Both B and C are true. Right answer is B. It cannot be dissolved. Your question is, maximum strength of Lok Sabha as stipulated in the Constitution of India is. Your options are A. 547, B. 545, C. 552, or D. None of these. Right answer is D. None of these.